A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam. Inshallah, today we will start study of Surah Bani Israel. It is a Makki surah, and the name of this chapter is Surah Al-Isra, that is the night journey. Its revelation order is 85, while the Quranic order is 17th. It has 111 verses, which are comprising of 12 rukus. The name of the surah has been derived from the second verse. The literal meaning of Bani Israel is the children of Allah's servant. Let's start today's session with this prayer that may Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul lil Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallazi asra bi abdihi laylam minal masjidil harami ilal masjidil aqsa. Exalted is the one who took away his servant from al masjid al haram to al masjid al aqsa. Allazi barakna hawlahu linuriyahu min ayatina, whose surroundings we have blessed to show him of our signs. Innahu huwa Samiul Basir. Indeed, he is the hearing, the seeing. Al-Aqsa, far end. The verse points towards the first part of the incidence of Mahraj. According to many scholars, on 27th of Rajab, the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went to the house of his cousin sister Umme Hani, daughter of Abu Talib. He, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, was resting there at night. Jibreel alayhi salam, the trustworthy angel, arrived there. He took the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam towards the well of Zamzam, where he took out the heart of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and washed it in the water of Zamzam and then placed it back. Jibreel alayhi salam took Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam towards Baitul Muqaddas. In Masjid al-Aqsa, all prophets established prayer under the leadership of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. After that, he took the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam towards heavens. But the details of this journey is not mentioned in this chapter. Some information is mentioned in chapter 53, Surah An-Najm, and you can read it of your own. The interesting fact is that in most of the important incidences in the Holy Quran, night is mentioned. Example, in the anecdote of Moses alayhi salam regarding his meeting with the Lord Almighty at the Mount of Tur. By neutral thinking, one can come to this conclusion that the night refers to the consciousness of night, that is, the explication of the hidden. The words of hidden were revealed to the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and Allah's proximity was revealed in the conscious of night. The word Mahraj is originated from Araj, that is, ascending. One of the reasons behind the depiction of this incident is that we may know how to ascend our essence. According to the sayings of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Salat is the ascension for the believers. But the point to ponder is that how many of us has acquired this ascent. Wa atayna Musal kitab, and we gave Moses alayhi salam the book. Waja'alnahu hudal li Bani Israel, and made it a guidance for Bani Israel. Allah tattakhizu min duni wakila, and do not make anyone other than me as disposer of affairs. Zurriyata man hamanna ma'a Nuh, descendants of those whom we carried with Nuh alayhi salam. Innahu kana abdan shakura. Indeed, he was a grateful servant. Zurriyata, offsprings, adherents. Lord Almighty gave Moses the book and made it a source of guidance for Bani Israel. They were instructed not to make any guardian beside him and invoke him for all their requirements and only consider him to be the fulfiller of all needs. The literal meaning of Bani Israel is the children of Allah's servant. And according to these verses, those people who believed in Nuh alayhi salam and were with him on the ship, their descendants are called Bani Israel. It means all those people at the present time in this world, whatever community and creed they are from, all are Bani Israel. It is also evident from these verses that to get the ascension, the best possible method is to adhere the ways of the prophets, that is to spend one's own life with gratitude. وَقَزَيْنَا إِلَىٰ Bani Israel fil kitab, and we reckoned for Bani Israel in this book, لَتُفْسِدُنَّ fil ardi marrataini وَلَا تَعْلُنَّ uluwan kabira. You will surely cause corruption in the earth many times, and you will certainly reach great haughtiness. La ta'lunna, you would surely soar. The Lord Almighty gave awareness to Bani Israel about the divine law. If you abandon the ways of the prophets and their righteous and virtuous path, then it will be an ingratitude. As a result, affray and corruption will be spread in the society and you will become the transgressor. A similar conversation is mentioned in the Holy Quran when Allah Almighty disclosed angels of making a vicegerent in the earth. Chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 30, it is mentioned, and when your Lord said to the angels, I will place a deputy in the earth, they said, will you place therein one who will make mischief therein and shed blood? And we perform assigned duty with your praise and we sanctify you. He said, I know better what you don't know. It means that corruptions and lawlessness become the reason of the downfall of the community or nation. فَإِذَا جَاءَ وَعْدُ أَوْلَاهُمَا, so when promise came for the first of them, بَأَسْنَا عَلَيْكُمْ إِبَادًا لَنَا أُولِي بَاسٍ شَدِيدٍ فَجَاسُوا خِلَالَ الدِّيَارِ, we raised against you servants of ours, those of great might, and they probed into the homes. Wakana Vadam Maf'ula, and it was promise fulfilled. Summa Radatna lakumul karrata alayhim, then we gave back to you a return over them. Wa amdatnakum bi amwalum wa banina wa ja'alnakum aksara nafira, and reinforced you with affluence and sons and made you more in manpower. The first underlined word is fajasu, so they entered ad-diyari, your hometowns. When for the first time corruption exceeded limits, then in accordance with divine laws, such people were raised against the transgressors who were strong and mighty. They entered in their lands and spread everywhere and afflicted them. The outcome was in accordance to the divine law which was made clear to them before. Then after a while, Lord Almighty gave them another opportunity, helped them by His blessings, and increased their numbers with affluence and manpower. These alternations are in fact with respect to divine laws, as mentioned in chapter 3, Surah Al Imran, verse 140. Translation is, if you have suffered an affliction, they too have suffered a similar affliction. We alternate these days among the people so that Allah may know those who believe and take them witness from among you, and Allah does not love wrongdoers. In asantum li anfusikum, if you do good, you do good to yourself. Wa in asatum falaha, and if you do bad, so you do it to yourself. Fa iza جاء وعد الآخرات ليسوء وجوهكم. Thus, when the testimony would come afterwards to darken your faces, وَلِيَدْخُلُوا الْمَسْجِدَ كَمَا دَخَلُوهُ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ, and to enter in your masjid as they entered first time. وَلِيُتَبِّرُوا مَا عَلَوْا تَدْبِيرًا, and to destroy what they had taken over with destruction. لِيُتَبِّرُوا, so as to ruin. O reader of Quran, remember this principle, that if you do of goodness, then in fact you do good for your own self, and if you adhere the path of evil, then its outcome will be upon you. If you again follow the mindset of affray, aberrance, and bloodshed, then you will have to face the consequences in according to the divine laws of cause and effect. And such people will be enforced who will deface your appearance and will enter in your masjid as they entered before, and will destroy and ruin anything, whatever they take over. Asa Rabbukum an yarhamakum. It is likely that your Lord will have mercy upon you. Wa in uttum udna, and if you revert, we shall revert too. وَجَعَلْنَا جَهَنَّمَ لِلْكَافِرِينَ hasira, and we have made hell for the disbelievers an engulfing place. Attum, you return to. If you repent, then it is expected that your Lord will have mercy upon you. And remember the law of cause and effect, which has been elaborated in these verses. If you would follow the path of transgression, negation, and oppressions, then you will meet the same fate. It is a Sunnah of Allah Almighty which never changes. In chapter 35, Surah Fatir, verse 43, it is mentioned. Due to arrogance in the land and plotting of evil, but the evil plot does not encompass except its own people. Then do they await the way of the former people? But you will never find in the way of Allah any change, and you will never find in the way of Allah any alteration. Those people who deny the truth and those who are ungrateful, their destiny will definitely be hell, and it is a confined place from where no one can escape, and the prisoners will have to taste the result of their mischief. Hazrat Wasif Ali Wasif Rahmatullah Alayh has declared hell as a hospital in which the patient of the noxious diseases are constrained and treated in a strictly guarded place. Inna hazal Qurana yahdi lillati hiya aqwam. Indeed, the Quran guides to that who is upright. وَيُبَشِّرُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ الَّذِينَ يَعْمَلُونَ الصَّالِحَاتِ, and gives tidings to the believers who do righteous acts. Anna lahum ajran kabira, that for them is a big reward. Wa anna allazina la yu'minuna bil akhirat, and that those who do not believe in the hereafter. Atatna lahum azabam alima, we have prepared for them a painful punishment. In reality, the true source of guidance is the Holy Quran. The only possible way through which one can excel his essence and get absolved is by practicing the Holy Quran in accordance with the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It gives tidings to those who believe in it and perform good deeds, whereas for those who do not have conviction in hereafter, to them it gives the news of a agonizing treatment. A summary of the first Ruku. Night is emphasized not only in the incidents of Mahraj but also in other instances in Quran. By contemplating one can conclude that it is consciousness of night that is the manifestation of the hidden world. The Quran highlights the way which is beneficial to excel both in this world and hereafter. The success is subject to adherence of prescribed path in accordance with Sunnah of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Those people who follow other courses beside Allah Almighty cause aberrance, corruption, and unrest in the society. They will make themselves liable for a painful punishment. May Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul lil Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sadaqallahul Aliyul Azim Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Habibihi Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam.